Hello, hello everyone. Hello, my old friends. Today is Saturday, December the 14th. Saturday. Let me introducing this machine now. Warming up running. Camless 10 or 11 axis, max 4 millimeter hardware, stainless steel. This is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China, in Dongguan City. Okay, this is my contact. Take a close look. This is my contact. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Our factory founded in year 2005. Founded in year 2005. This is my contact. Contact information. You can find my WhatsApp, my WeChat on this okay, my WeChat and I'm export sales manager. We are mid-sized spring machine manufacturer, professional, and all of our machines are CNC type, CNC automatic, spring forming machine, spring coiling machine. We also developed some special purpose machine, also like for the conveyor belt, for the thread insert making machine, for pipe clip making machine. So this one, camless 11 or 10 axis now running up. So in other words, it's telling that this machine, the electrics, the control system are already, and all is running for the warm up running MPT. You just need to put on the tools, and add on the spinner. Here's the spinner, 11 axis. Goes for the conveyor belt related products. Conveyor belt like this, and this machine max for 4 millimeter stainless steel. This one in my hand, 2.5 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, and 40 centimeter. So the one piece to be made about 16 to 18 seconds. Then to make this by this machine, one stop, made it piece by piece. Then waved in chain, meter by meter, waved piece by piece, and then meter by meter in chain. This is widely a huge demanding in the food processing industry, especially for chocolate coating, chocolate enlobing, and for the conveyor belt. Okay, and this one, the single unit, 2.5 stainless steel, and now running up. Usually we will take it running up about 3 days, 72 hours. So this is the camless running up. Is running empty, and the slide distance about 15 centimeter, and the manual. This is the manual. Insert the tools, then put on the tools. The slider, here's the slider. Put on the tools, put on the coiling finger, put on the special shape tools, and the program. Here's the program. The program control system, not touch screen, operates by the keyboard, by the wireless mice, and the hand roller. This is the hand roller. The hand roller is using for you can select any axis, then select any hand axis, then put on the figures to figure out a program line by line, line by line. At presently, the green one is active, the gray one is not active. So the gray one, such as this one, the gray or for wire rotary. This machine, no wire rotary. So it's usually 10 or 11 axes, and usually we put on the spinner at 3 o'clock, at 6 o'clock side. You can see here's the zero side. Here's the zero side. A sensor to detect the original speed, original side is turning. During it's working, it's just need turning the highest side to lowest side. Just need 180 semicircle, 180 degree. Just need semicircle, and now it's running the whole line, so it's 360 angles, degrees. Okay, and this is the here's to put on the measures. So one set of tools, usually two, the wire feeding tools and the forming tools, the special forming tools. Wire feeding tools include like the measure, the wire feeding tools include the feeding rollers, guiding plates, and the forming tools usually is included the measure, the coiling finger, the cutter, and the spinner tools, and the special tailor-made tools. So this is the machine. For the springs, it can make almost any type of spring, as like the pull spring, extension spring, torsion, or double torsion spring. So this is the one to pair with standard pair with wire decoil, max loadable 300 kilogram, max loadable 300 kilogram, and this is the machine. We are spring machine manufacturer. Usually, we goes a sequence like we get the order, then get the deposit, start the machine installing. It take about 18 days. Then the machine installed down, warming up, put on the tools, go sampling. Sampling completed, we will invite and the clients come to our factory for the free using training. And the training usually take, the free using training take for the domestic clients, training take about 2 or 4 or 2 or 5 days. And the foreign clients come to our factory for a free using training, 3 to 6 days, and the max to 9 days for a free using training at our factory. We are spring machine manufacturer, founded in year 2005. I'm an export sales manager. This is my contact. You can find more videos on my YouTube, more sampling of product introduction videos in my YouTube. We are GS Guangjin Spring Machine in Dongguan City. It's very close to the Canton Fair complex, just within 1 hour. Okay. And on the table, some of the special and the regular products. Special as like the pro spring, extension spring, and the special as like the conveyor belt, chocolate coating, and go through the heating furnace, for food processing. Also like this, the safety belt, car's safety belt, constant force spring using in the seat safety belt mechanism. Okay, and the wire bending products like this wire bending products. This is the camless, no wire rotary. In the same series, we have a small one to handling the wire 2.5 millimeter. This one max for 4 millimeter. Camless, every 8, all 8 handles are driven by servo motor directly. This is servo motor. The servo motor, Scientific servo motor, and the gearbox transmitted for the wire feeding system. 3 pair feeding rods, gear transmitted box, and the wire decoil max loadable 300 kilogram standard paired weight. Also, the chassis, the electric parts lining the chassis as like the control system mainboard, transformer, L switches, and the servers, all the 11 axes, the servers are still here. Also have the probe, have an air pump, and a probe. So here's the boson tip, the lubricate, okay, lubricate. So this is the general idea of this machine. Camless 10 or 11 axis. The spinner has a spinner, so it goes to 11 axis. Okay.